Hi guys, we might call this one of these cooking Grandad style videos. It's not exactly what I wanted to do, and it's inspired by System Skynet. The other day he was having chips and curry sauce, but it was I think it was Mayflower brand. And it inspired me to have a go myself. Now, I've been searching for this Mayflower brand. I did see when I searched online, it's supposed to be sold by Home Bargains and B&M. And I did also notice that Iceland stocked some Mayflower brand stuff. So I went and had a look in Iceland. They didn't have any, but they did have this pack, chips and curry sauce for £1. Big value pack. I think that's going to be, well, I'll eat it, but it's probably more than I had in mind. Had a look in Home Bargains. They didn't have anything like it in the Home Bargains I went in, because they only had a chilled section, not a frozen section. Went in a B&M, and they had a nice big frozen section, and they actually had a space for the chips and curry sauce, but there was none in there. I did take some pictures, so I might include them in the video. Anyway, I'm going to have this. I did have it in mind to do a comparison between the two, the Iceland brand and the Mayflower brand, but being as I've been unable to get the Mayflower brand, I'm just going to eat this. Ingredients: chips, curry sauce, and a load of other stuff. Keep frozen, yeah, done that. So, microwave, I expect we can do that. Microwave from frozen, 800 watt, full power for 12 minutes. I have an idea. Yeah. This one, 700 watt. I actually put that on there so I didn't have to get round the back to check. So, 800 full power for 12 minutes. How long do you think we have to do it if it's only 700 watt? Remove outer packaging, pierce film lid several times, place on a microwavable plate, cook for 5 minutes, carefully turn chips, replace film, cook for further. Did I say 5 minutes? 6 minutes it says there. Yeah, or we stick it in the fan oven for 50 minutes. I think we'll go for the microwave option. I can't calculate the difference, but I expect if we give it 6.5 minutes or something instead of 6 minutes, that should make up for it being 700 watt instead of 800 watt. We'll see how we go. It just occurred to me I ought to show you it coming out of the box. Unboxing. There we are. Okay. So we got to stab that half a dozen times. Pierce lid several times, place on microwavable plate. Cook for 6 minutes. Well, surely the microwave's got a plate in it anyway, that turning thing. Yeah, so I'll stab that. Is that stabbed enough? Okay, stabbed. Now stick it in for 6 minutes. Right, that was the first 6.5 minutes. So I've got to get that out, which will need 2 hands, and then give it a bit of a stir around. Yeah, that's hardly thawed out there. Well, it's slightly better than thawed out, but I probably should have given it 7 minutes instead of 6 minutes. Well, I gave it 6.5 minutes. That's 700 when it's supposed to be at 800. So, yeah, that's still cold. So we'll give it another 6 minutes, another 7 minutes. Yeah, that's still hard. Don't have a powerful enough microwave for it. Never mind. I'll give it a full 7 minutes this time. See what happens. Right, that was another 7.5 minutes. I'll take it out and have a look. Certainly feels a lot hotter. Yeah, I think that's a bit more successful at 7 minutes. I guess we could just try one. It's going to be a bit hot to eat, I should think. Tastes all right. I reckon I might give it another minute. It was just, you know, that taste of potatoes when they're just not quite fully cooked. Let's try that one. I think it's all right, but I'm going to give it another minute. Right, I gave it another minute on full power, and I've let it stand for a minute. I would say it was eatable. It's not quite what I remember. Curry sauce is very mild. In the good old days, I'd have had bread and butter and made sandwiches with it. Those chips are still, well, they're soft, they're cooked. It may just be the actual type of chips. I still get the feeling they could have gone a little bit longer. I would say that's all right. It would have been nice to be able to compare it to the Mayflower brand. Maybe I'll find some. And we'll be able to see. But that'll do for now. That's cooking Grandad style. It would have been nice to have a pint of something to go with it. I've just got fruit juice. But that'll do. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll put a link to Frankie's video, System Skynet's video, if I can remember, in the video description. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.